expect a lot of fun activities this morning, a lot of sessions, a lot of team building activities that will definitely test the leader within you and will definitely enable you to connect.
This year's Linggo ng Kabataan celebration in Canlaon City is more about the confidence of our young constituents and how they are going to be leaders, shaping the future and replacing us in the near future.
Maayong adlaw, Canlaon City. I am John V. Bayot-Indrina, your SK Federation President, and I am very happy to announce that today we are having our Canlaon City Youth Summit 2025. And of course, we would like to say thanks from the SK Federation, our City Mayor, Honorable Jose Chubasco B. Cardenas. Kay si Mayor Batchok ang usa sa pinakadakong rason nga nung nahimong possible ang tanan, ang amo ang gidamgo lang nga Youth Summit sa Canlaon City. Of course, we are participated with the 12 barangay and they are headed by their SK chairpersons. And I am very thankful also, especially sa ato ang mga facilitators from Gabaan Youth Lead. So, nag-travel sila from Occidental and Oriental para mutabang og facilitate sa ato ang Youth Summit 2025.
Lord, we pray that they will be inspired by this summit, God.
This program is designed not just to build camaraderie among our kabataan, but also to foster their talents and initiative. In GYL, ang kabataang may mabuting asal ang tunay na pag-asa ng bayan.
Kamu ang leader sa ugma, no? You will be the leaders of tomorrow and you will also be the change makers of today. So that's why we are doing what we are doing right now, because we are equipping you and empowering you.
Our youth are gathered here today para mo-encounter or mo-connect sa uban nato nga mga youth pod sa nagkalain-lain nga barangay. Kay nagatuog gid mi sa SK Federation, ilabi nako nga ato ang mga kabatanunan maugyod ang ato ang future.
Naatay Linggo ng Kabataan to enhance the skills of all Canlaonian leaders nga mga youth kay kabalo ta daghan kayog potential ang mga kabatanunan sa Canlaon.
Always remind yourself, young people, this is just a thought. Your one mistake will not define your entire personality.
Manghinaot ko nga daghan og mga learnings og daghan nga mga pagtulunan gyud nga makuha ang atong mga kabatanunan paghuman sa atong Youth Summit.
Okay. Rizal said that ang kabataan ng pag-asa ng bayan. We youth are the future of our community. Kita ang future sa Canlaon City.
Barkada namin may pangarap na naisabutin.
In GYL, we did not just give you activities, but also will develop your consciousness into different societal issues. And also, as a Batang Bayani, of course, we wanted you to be immersed, to be somebody who is not just aware, but also somebody that could somehow contribute to the betterment of not just in Canlaon, but in the Philippines.
not individual as a Filipino. We are interconnected. We are connected with each other. With that kapwa, it creates the ideology of bayanihan.